Hello and welcome to Bespoke Unit. My name is Paul Anthony. In today's video I'm going to be doing a detailed review on Zenni Optical. First of all, I'm going to cover the selection and prices from the brand. Then I'm going to go through the order process and account ease of use. Then we'll go on to the shipping speed from order to come into your home, as well as going over the glasses, frames and lens quality, as well as the referral and rewards program they offer, and then rounding all of that out with my final thoughts on the brand. So first of all, I'd like to cover the selection and price that Zenni Optical has to offer. However, I do need to mention, whenever you're buying prescription glasses online, there are a few things you're going to need and think about. First of all, you're going to need a current glasses prescription. Secondly, you're going to want to think about your budget, the occasion, and also how you're going to be using these glasses, whether you may need some special lenses. Third, you're going to want to consider the style of the glasses you want that are going to match not only your head size, but your face shape, the contrast, and maybe the tonality of your skin and the warmth or coolness of your skin. Also, you're going to want to think about storage and travel considerations if you get a larger collection like myself, where I probably have close to 100 pairs of glasses. And then my final piece of advice would also be to start slow, but also have a little bit of fun. And one of the easiest areas to do that in is going to be buying some maybe funkier sunglasses with a different tint than you may have previously got. So with that being said, we can jump onto the selection and prices that Zenni Optical have. So first of all, Zenni has over 1,000 frames, and the prices are extremely reasonable compared to shopping a brick and mortar selection or even other online outlets as well. Recently, I conducted a relatively large order of about 20 pairs, and these came with mirror tints, gradient tints, regular tints, and one with blue blocker as well. And over the entire order, the average pair of frames cost around $26. So now I just wanted to touch on the order process and the account ease of use. So once you've found and selected the frames that you would like to try, the next thing you're going to want to do is obviously order them to your specification. So first of all, Zenni's going to ask you to put in your prescription, which you can save to your account, which is nice. You haven't got to do it every time. Then once you've done that, you're going to want to select the lenses. I personally opt for the most basic lens for price considerations. I'm lucky enough that my prescription hasn't changed for a very long time. On top of that, it's not a particularly strong prescription, being -3 and -3.5 respectively, which allows me to buy the cheaper lenses. I also don't opt for any of the fancy finishes, the anti-fog, the anti-scratch. As you've already heard, I've got a relatively large selection, so I like to change the glasses in and out, so I just don't think the cost benefit is there for me. However, if you're only planning on having a small collection or one or two glasses, that may be something that you'd want to consider adding to your order. Furthermore, you can also select between regular glasses or sunglasses, and I think this is one of the places that Zenni Optical really shines, as they have one of the biggest selections of sunglass tints available, whether it's regular sunglasses are light or dark. You can also choose many different colors. You can choose gradiented finishes as well, where it's darker at the top and lighter at the bottom. And my particular favorite, they offer 8 different mirror finishes. And if you check out the description below, I actually ordered all 8 of the different mirror finishes, so you can kind of see the different colorations in a real pair of glasses as well. So now that we've ordered the glasses and we've set up an account at Zenni Optical, many people wonder how long it's going to take for these glasses to arrive at your front door. Typically, I'd say allow around 2 weeks. However, this last order arrived in, I believe, 10 days from order to arriving at the door. So I'm very happy with that. Also, the nice thing about the Zenni Optical account is you can always go back to past orders and see what glasses you've previously ordered for frame references, as well as importantly, size references. I have a particularly large head, so I only ever use the search functionality for large and extra large glasses. So I'm always concerned with the total width of the glasses to make sure they look well on my particular head. As well as you can also check out the shipping tracking as well from the account, so you can see when they're actually going to arrive at your front door as well. So probably one of the most important things to consider when shopping online is the glasses frame and lens quality as well. Obviously, we've mentioned that the price of Zenni Optical glasses for me and my needs comes out to around $25, $26 per pair, some being slightly more, some being slightly less. With respect to the frames, we've got a metal pair of frames here with one of my particular favorite gradiented lenses where it's a purple dark to a purple light as well. And we also have the more plastic style. Some of them have just complete plastic arms, and some of them also have metal going down the side of the arms as well. I don't particularly find that to be a huge difference with either style. Also, you can probably see here my favorite style is where they just rest on the bridge of the nose as opposed to having the pads. However, I do have some glasses like that. So the nice thing with such an affordable price point of glasses is that you can try out different styles of frames as well as lenses and not make a huge financial commitment, or also buy a particular pair for a special occasion or outfit that you may have. Overall, for the price, I think that Zenni Optical offer outstanding value with respect to glasses, frames, and lens quality. Also, people are going to want to know what comes in the box. Zenni Optical very nicely includes a glasses case you can actually use as a glasses case, because some of the other brands don't do that anymore. It also comes with a nice glasses cleaning cloth. You also get a pupillary distance measuring device, which I think is a bit erroneous, as you know, if you've got a current prescription, you should have that pupillary distance before you order any pair of glasses. Overall, I think the presentation and shipping of Zenni is very nice and in line or exceeds expectations for the price point in question. Many of the online glasses shops offer referral and reward programs, and Zenni Optical is no different in this department. With respect to referrals, if you get a friend to buy a pair, both of you will receive $5 credit for purchasing through Zenni Optical, and their rewards program has 3 individual tiers, with the top tier being spending over $200. Some of the perks include a free glasses case, like the ones you see at the front of the table here, as well as $10 off an order or $20 off an order as well. So it's definitely worth keeping track of your orders and having your account to get some of the free perks, especially if you're going to be building out a collection. So there we have it, my full review on Zenni Optical. You can also check out the descriptions in the link below where I compare Zenni Optical to other glasses brands, as well as reviews I'm going to be doing at the same time as this on iBuyDirect and Firmoo as well. Please comment in the section below with your experience of Zenni Optical, or if you do choose to buy Zenni Optical glasses as a result of this review, please comment how your experience was below. As you can probably tell, I'm a big fan of Zenni Optical, and I would definitely recommend anyone who wears glasses to try them out, as I feel that the price stroke value ratio is far superior to many of the other glasses brands online, as well as shopping brick and mortar as well. However, the caveat to that being is I have a relatively simple prescription, so I can't speak for anyone that would need bifocals, varifocals, etc. With all of that being said, I really hope you like this video. Please do like the video if you did so. Also subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications, as we have a lot more men's lifestyle content, not only here on YouTube, but also bespokeunit.com, covering glasses, face shapes, male grooming, suits, shoes, watches, fragrance, and a lot more. With all of that being said, my name is Paul Anthony, and I'll see you in the next one.